guys, I'm Diana Marie Ancarion from DSITS2A, and in this video, gagawin naman natin yung file sharing sa OS na Finance. So, ayan. So, before natin i-install yung file services, gumawa tayo muna ng, let's create first a folder sa C. So, local disk, then we will create folders named academic department, admin department, university folder, installer folder, tsaka BSID folder. So, hindi lang pala yan. So, lalagay din natin yung folder ng BET and folder program courses folders. So yung program courses folders, yan yung mga nasa nandito. So gagawa natin ng folder to. Ayang mga yan. Bale ito. BETED, BS Engineering, BS Degree, BET, and then itong mga nasa loob ng admin department. So, gumawa muna tayo ng folder. Properties. New. Folder, then admin depart, folder, university folder, installer folder, BET. So, ano pa yun? BS Degree. BS Engineering. BTV. ED. So, ayan. Meron na tayong na-create ng folders. Ayan sila. The next step is to install the file services. So, para ma-install, you need to go to server manager and then roles, add roles. So, click add roles, then lalabas yung add roles na wizard. Okay, so before that pala, nakalimutan ko yung sa folder ng admin. So, balik tayo sa C, local disk, and then create natin ng folder yung admin. So, sa admin meron tayong registrar, yung directors, hindi ko siya kabisado. Finance, HR. So, new folder, human resources. Next, new folder, library. So, rename natin to library. Next, records, research, and and then supply. So double check registrars, office records, office library. So okay, library services, rename natin, gawin natin specific services. Office. Oh. For the supply and ano to? Procurement. So, yan. Tapos na natin malagay lahat ng folders. So, proceed na tayo sa pag-install ng file services. So, to install, add roles. Then, ito yung wizard ng pag-add ng roles. Then, click next. Hanapin yung file services. Check. Next. Next. So, for the file services, ito yung mga kailangan na naka-install na services. So, file server, distributed file system, DFS, namespace, and replication, file server resource manager, services for network file system, then Windows search service. So, after that, after checking all that, you can proceed. Then, next. User account, admin, administrator. Next. Then select local disk. Click next. Next. Then this is the summary. So double check all the details before you install. So okay na yan. You can proceed to installation. So after installation, the next step is to go to file service management. Tama ba? Here, makikita natin yan here once na ma-install. File services something. So, installing. Yan. Once na the installation is successful, you can close it now and go to File Server Resource Manager. File Server Resource Manager. So, we have a requirement here na the storage quota for each folder is 1 gig. So, required na 1 gig. So, para nagawa natin yan, create tayo ng new quota template. Create quota template name, quota, UPT quota. Ayan. So, kailangan 1 gig. 1 gig. Ito limit no. So, okay. Optional pala siya. So, space limit is 1 gig. Then, okay na yan. Click nyo na yung okay. Hindi siya makita. Teka nga lang. At hindi yan makita. So, ayan. Nalakihan na natin yung screen. So, click lang natin yung okay for this quota. So, okay. Then, meron ng 100 gig limit. So, for the next step, so now let's proceed sa next step, which is yung file sharing. So, go to server manager, rows, file services, then share and storage management. So, unahin natin yung academic department. So, to share, click nyo yung provision share, then hanapin nyo yung location na ginawa kanina sa local disk na folder. So, for the first one, we have academic department. Click OK. Then, next. Next. Check out SMB and NFS. Then, click next. Next. So, for the permissions, all department sections should have one public folder, read and write. Domain users cannot access other department folders. So, users, groups, and permissions to edit permissions. So, for the academic department, we have read, write. So, change, apply. Then, remove everyone since kailangan yung academics lang. So, ito, object types, computers. Then, okay. Academics. Check names. Okay. Apply. Then, click OK. So, once done, click next. 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 Then, apply quota. So, for the quota, the requirement is 1 gig. So, we will choose 1 gig limit for the quota. So, next, apply file screen. Then, wala pa palang file screen. So, i-next lang din ulit. So, for the file screen, next lang natin yan. Hindi natin siya i-apply. Then, next. And then, create. So, once success, you can close it now. Then, proceed sa panibagong folder. So, provision share ulit. So, the next one is the admin department. So, next. Repeat the process lang. Pero yung permission, all department. So, same permission lang. So, repeat lang natin yung process. Users and groups have custom share permission. So, we have read, write permission. Then, for the group or user names, admin lang. So, object types, uncheck these checkboxes. Then, itira nyo yung computers. So, okay. Then, admin. Okay. Administrative. Okay. Click OK. Apply. Okay. And then next. So, apply quota. Again, 1 gig limit. Then, next. 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 And then, double check details. Review settings. Then, create. Once success, you can proceed to another provision share. So, the next one is the bet folder. Next. Next. So, add the object types. So, for bet folder, so, computers, then okay. So, for these, for the bet program, ilalagay din natin yung so, bet, check names, and then the academics, check names. Click OK, then yan dalawa. Apply, Okay, change, apply, then okay. So, same process sa, again, 1 gig quota limit. So, saan ba? Same process lang din siya for the other departments. Okay, close, provision share, browse, BS degree, okay, next, users, remove, okay, add, so computers, okay, for this computer we have degree, check names, and then academics, check names, okay, apply, read, write, apply, then okay. Then quota 1 gig limit. Next, users group permissions, change, read, write, then remove everyone, then add the engineering. Check names. BS. Ano yung nilagay ko? For the engineering. So, for the engineering, permissions, remove, add, object types, okay, computer, di pala natin na-check yung computer kanina. Then, engineering, check names, academics, check names, okay. Then, read, write, apply, okay. Next. For the quota, again, 1 gig. Next. So, close. So, we're done now sa academic na department. Let's proceed to the administrative department. So, provision share, browse. So, browse lang natin yung sa director's office. So, okay, next. Same lang din sila, no? Permission. Directors, admin, check name, okay, then change, apply, quota 1 gig. Next is the finance. Hindi ako nagkakamali. object types. Natin kalimutan ng pictures. Okay. Maintenance. Admin. Then, read, write, apply. Okay. Next. Apply quota. 1 gig. So, same process lang sa mga natitira. So, gawin ko lang. Then, I'll be right back. So, natapos ko na sa file, sa provision share yung admin and academic department. Proceed naman tayo sa university folder, then installer na folder. So, provision share, browse, then scroll for university folder. Next again. So, all domain users can access. So, yung fourth na radio button ulit. Then, permissions. So, di na natin ayusin, tatanggalin yung everyone since all domain users naman. Check na lang natin yung change. Then, apply. Okay. Next. So, apply quota again for 1 gig. Next. Then, the next one is installer folder containing applications that only administrator can access. So, for the installer folder, check. Remove, then administrator. So, admin. Okay. Click okay. Full change. Read and write them ba? So, walang nakalagay. Access. So, okay. Then, apply. Okay. Next. So, apply lang ulit yung quota for 1 gig. Next. Then, close. So, the next step is all folders except the computer engineering folder should contain only office documents. So, lahat ng folders except sa computer engineering folder should contain only office documents. So, ayan. Ito yan. So, to do that, you can go to file services here. Then, file screen templates. So, for the here, create file screen template. Template name is, nakalagay ito, all folders except the computer engineering folder should contain only office documents. So, template name, office documents. So, office files lang. Then, i-apply ito dun sa provision share. Sa, file, yung template, something. File screen template. So, okay. Office documents. So, check natin lahat ito ng i-block natin. Except for the office files. So, check this out. then of this document. So for the next one, computer engine should run all files except executable files. All files. So, executable files lang yung i-check natin dyan. Since siya lang yung exclude. Yeah, exclude. Ay, wala pa palang name. So, computer. Okay. Then, that's it for this video. Etong file screen template pala, i-apply yan. I-apply yan sa provision share. Then, that's it.